if you can put a title of more complex quadratics, these ones are going to be grade 6, and also put today's date. We're going to use the exact same philosophy as we did with the last lot of questions. This time though, we've got some additional numbers in front of the letter X. So here, we're going to do the exact same thing. We've got 3x times 4x. Well, the x times x part, that would give us x squared. And because it's got 3 times 4 at the front, it becomes 12x squared. 3x times minus 2. Well, 3x times 2 would give us 6x. And because the symbol in front of the number is minus, it gives us minus 6x. We've then got 2 times 4x. Well, 2 times 4 is 8, so 2 times 4x gives us plus 8x, because we've got a positive in front of the 2. And then the final part, we've got positive 2 times negative 2. Positive times a negative gives us a negative, and 2 times 2 gives us 4. Simplifying, the 12x squared, that stays as it is, because it's the only x squared term, minus 6x plus 8x. So if you start on minus 6, add 8 on, that means we go up 8, it would get us up to plus 2x, and then minus 4 in the end. For the next one, same idea. We've got 2x times 6x. Well, 2 times 6 gives us 12, and x times x, x squared. We've then got 2x multiplied by 8. Well, 2 times 8 is 16, so 2x times 8 gives us plus 16x. We then do 5 times both bits in this bracket. Well, that would give us 5 times 6x. 5 times 6 is 30, so 5 times 6x is 30x. Because the 5 is a plus, so is this. And then we've got 5 multiplied by 8. Both of them are positive, so it gives us plus 5 times 8, 40. Collecting these together, this is the only x squared term, so we get 12x squared, plus, and we've got 16 plus 30, so plus 46x, and then the number on the end, plus 40. That should give you enough to be able to do section 1 of the worksheet. Section 2 has questions that look like this, where it has a squared on the outside of the bracket. Now the first thing I'd do with this question is rewrite it. So when you square something, it means that you times it by itself. So it simply means that we're doing x plus 4 times x plus 4. At this point, we now do exactly what we've done with all the previous questions. So x times x gives us x squared, and x times plus 4 gives us plus 4x. We then do 4 times both bits, so 4 times x, another plus 4x, and then 4 multiplied by 4 gives us plus 16. Simplifying this, we get x squared plus 4, add on another 4, would give us plus 8x, and then add 16 at the end. Final example. Again, as soon as you see the little squared on the outside of the bracket, the best thing you can do is to rewrite the question, but with writing both of the brackets. Both the same, because you're squaring it, so timesing it by itself. So again here, we then do 2x times 2x. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, x times x, x squared, so 4x squared. 2x times minus 3. Well, 2x times 3 is 6x. Because this 3 is minus, this becomes minus 6x. Same with the 3, we do minus 3 times 2x. 3 times 2x is 6x. And because the 3 is a minus, it becomes minus 6x. Last bit, we've got negative 3 times negative 3, so that gives us plus 9, because a negative times a negative gives us a positive. We simplify for our final bit, so 4x squared, we've got minus 6x, take away another 6. So you're starting on minus 6, going down another 6 to minus 12x, and then plus 9 at the end.